Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafi Hilmi bin Alias. Today we're going to talk about Petronas company background. Petroleum Nasional Berhad, known as Petronas, is a Malaysian gas company established in 1974, owned by Government of Malaysia. The corporation bears on entire oil and gas resource in Malaysia and entrusts responsibility developing and adding value of natural resources. The group is engaged in petroleum activity, upstream and downstream, marketing, product trading, shipping, and property investment. The company, headquartered at Malaysian Petronas Twin Tower, was officially opened on Malaysia 42 National Day, 1999, in the corporation of 24th anniversary year. Petronas responsibility for 0.69% of global industry greenhouse gas emission from 1988 to 2050.
Hello, I am Muhammad Izam Azrai and I am presenting to you the job scope of mechanical engineer in oil and gas industry. Design engineers are to design and prepare engineering drawings that are relevant to industry and company, utilizing computer-aided design and computer-assisted engineering in the development of assets, report any breaches of safety procedures to management. Consultant engineer are to troubleshoot critical issues at the plant, providing technical advices to the engineer and management consultancy. Next, the maintenance engineer are to conduct equipment check, carry out plant inspection and provide report. As turnaround maintenance engineer are to rectify issues at plant during turnaround periods, supporting the maintenance and ensuring the reliability of equipment. Material engineer are to conduct studies on materials to determine failure conditions, to design process for corrosion prevention and welding programs, supervising processes and production staff engaged. Inspection engineer keeps tracks of the conditions of oil and gas facilities and equipment, ensuring all hardware functions properly and efficiently, complies with government codes and standards. Contractor engineer review bids, conduct negotiations and administer the award of contracts, reviews and amends standard contract documentation, builds and maintains relationships with suppliers. For technical and non-technical, they develop basic softwares to assist processes at the plants, providing thorough documentations, interacting between staff and engineers for better management.
Risk or hazard. Safety is very important to everyone and is a core value for the natural oil and gas industry and Petronas industry. Personal safety and process safety work hand in hand to ensure responsible development of natural gas and oil, providing the essential product that make modern life possible while keeping our workers and nearby communities safe. There are 4 types of hazard that you need to consider. First, microbiological hazard. Microbiological hazard include bacteria, yeast, mouse, and virus. Second, chemical hazard. Third, physical hazard. And last, allergen. We must always be careful while working because our safety is very important to ensure the continuity of works. Therefore, career attitude is very important in yourself so that there are no accidents while working.
In oil and gas industry, there are 3 sectors of oil and gas, which are upstream, midstream, and downstream. Upstream search the finding, lifting, and processing oil and gas from subsurface into surface and ready for transportation. This sector is also known as exploration and production. For midstream, transportation and storage of crude oil and natural gas from exploration and production plant for further processing by pipeline, railway, road or tanker. And downstream is further processing of crude oil and natural gas into useful other industry. This downstream is also known as refining and marketing. The upstream and gas life cycle consists of licensing, exploration, appraisal, development, production, and abandonment. In licensing, the activities is to offer the right to manage an area block which is expected to contain oil and gas. For exploration, activities to search for oil and gas deposits on the reservoir beneath the Earth's surface within blocks boundary. For appraisal, activities to define the oil and gas volume and characteristic more precisely after discovery. In the development sector, activities to build the subsurface and surface facilities to produce oil and gas safely and efficiently. In production, the activities is to extract, process and export oil as per contract agreement. Abandonment activities is to plug well permanently, remove surface facility and restore block as per initial state.
Hello, my name is Noemir Hazik Shah. I will talk about the liquefied natural gas, which is LNG. LNG is a clear, colorless and non-toxic liquid which forms when natural gas is cooled to negative 162 Celsius. The cooling process shrinks the volume of the gas 600 times, making it easier and safer to store and ship. In its liquid state, LNG will not ignite. LNG is extremely cold, non-toxic and non-corrosive substance. It is refrigerated rather than pressurized, which enables LNG to be an effective, economical method of transporting large volume of natural gas over long distance. LNG itself poses little danger as long as it contained within storage tanks, piping, and equipment design. The volume of LNG is times 600 reduced volume of natural gas. The temperature is approximate negative 167 degrees Celsius. The density of liquefied natural gas is about 400 kilo per meter cube. It's lighter than water. For extra knowledge, Shell is one of the world's largest LNG shipping operators, managing and operating more than 40 carriers and has 50 on-time charter. Combine this, approximately 90 LNG carrier is around 20% of the global LNG shipping fleet.